Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. We have got a stunning, and I mean gorgeous, Tucano. The pilot there in the gray sweatshirt, tan pants is Dennis Shrewberry. Dennis is a phenomenal modeler, does some amazing builds, and folks, you can't help but put a smile on your face with look at that scheme. Hands down one of the best schemes I've seen on the Tucano. Put your oxygen mask on, folks, strap in tight, tray tables in the upright position, and enjoy the flight.
I just said you were in 4. What? I just said you were in 4. Oh, yeah.
apologize if there's any spots or rain on the lens. Very light That's Tucano butter. That's Tucano butter. That's Turboprop butter. That is just butter on top of butter on top of butter. Gorgeous airplane, phenomenal flight, and a very, very smooth landing. Nothing like a real turboprop. They are a real treat to watch. Now he'll go through shutdown, and they'll put the blower there to cool the motor. That's why you're seeing the blower there, folks. Just wanted to share that with you. All right, friends. More to come.